Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. What a volatile market. Bank Nifty opened 150 point gap up, then fell 600 point, then shot up 200, 300 point. It was all over the places. Why there was so much volatility today? So later I understood there was some MSCI rejig issue. So because of that, Reliance Industries, ICICI Bank and Infosys. So there was supposed to be an outflow of 3,600 crores. Particularly Reliance is 1,600 crore. So no wonder the Reliance came under such a selling pressure, and then Infosys and ICICI Bank also. But TCS, ever since this buyback issue, that has been very, very volatile. So at the end of the day, these are the bottom four stocks: Reliance, ICICI Bank, Infosys and TCS. They contributed the most on the downside. And this is the outflow. What about the inflow? And all the inflow are to the mid cap and small cap stocks. They are not large cap index heavyweights, and they are not even Nifty 50 stocks. So that is why at the Nifty level nothing was seen. And look at the FII inflow today. FIIs were net buyers for more than 8,000 crores. More than 8,000 crores, and you don't see any reflection. In fact, Bank Nifty is down about 100 points. Nifty is up about 25-30 points. So nothing was seen at the index level. The action was outside the index. So today monthly expiry, that also added to the volatility. Moreover, yesterday market shot up. The people with so much of enthusiasm, they might have bought the call options. So that all has gone to zero today. But this month, it was a very difficult month for option writers, and Nifty shot up from 18,850 to 21,150. So that is a rally of 1,300 points. And in fact, this probably the best month in the recent years, and such a powerful rally. And usually people, they do strangle, they just sell about 400, 500 point away. When the market goes to 1,300 point, it's going to be very, very difficult. Okay. So in fact, one of my friends called me and she said that she sold 19,600 call option sitting with a huge loss, right? Market went, she was hoping that the market can come down, but markets are irrational. So the markets are designed anyhow in such a way that, most of the people lose money. Only very few people can make money. So monthly expiry is over. So next month is at December. And what is going to happen? So markets were waiting for the GDP data. I think the GDP data came much, much better than expected. People expected 6.8%. It came at 7.6%. But usually our markets do not react much for the economic data as much as US markets react to the data. US markets are waiting for personal consumption expenditure data. So that's a very, very important inflation data for the Fed to decide the next course of action. That will be coming around 7 p.m. Indian time. But that is expected to be good only. So it's not expected to be bad, but who knows? Something unexpected comes, markets may react violently. And because, there are US markets is trading almost at 52-week high. So any small disappointment can come with a good selling pressure. So right now, looking at the market seems to be very, very bullish. After a long time, I am seeing the next month future trading around 135 point premium, and January month future is trading almost 250, 270 point premium. So the premium is very, very high, but usually when the premium is very, very high, uniformly market comes down after a few days, or at least it will get corrected. Yeah. So then definitely it is time to be cautious as we are approaching to all-time high. But however, if you have taken the position at the right time, I've been telling you since 530 is a place where technically the market has become long. If anyone has taken long position there, they don't have to worry about 200, 300 point fall. But if you are a late comer and you bought it recently, then there will be a reason to worry. So no need to be worried, but it's a time to be cautious and have your hedges in your place. Right? So there is nothing much to talk today because today is expiry. So we will discuss tomorrow morning about other things. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.